Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 5G for Straight Talk. So the Moto G 5G is a new budget smartphone for Straight Talk. It's available now for $199.99 and it's available in black. So the Moto G 5G has been out for a while now on several different carriers, and now Straight Talk has the Moto G 5G right here. Very nice looking phone. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone. So anyways guys, you guys have your power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Hole punch for your front facing camera there on the front, earpiece above that. And yeah, very nice looking phone. Right side, like I said, power button, volume keys, and I think your power button is also your fingerprint sensor as well, so that is really cool. And then on the back of the Moto G 5G is your triple camera system, camera flash, your Motorola logo, and that is it. And it looks like it's black. It has like a black finish, so obviously because it's black. I don't know if it's made of plastic. It probably is made of plastic, so keep that in mind. So yeah, but overall, the overall Moto G 5G is a nice looking phone. It says move up to 5G, super fast 5G speeds. More ways to tell your story. Fast and fluid. 6.5 inch, 90 Hz display. Up to 2 days. Battery. Do more than you ever thought possible with the unbelievable speed of 5G. Stream your favorite shows, download music, and video chat instantly without any lag. Take stunning pictures, portraits, and close-ups thanks to quad pixel technology. The 50 megapixel sensor gives you remarkably clear results in the light, and the macro vision and depth sensor helps you take professional looking portraits or see the tiniest detail you would otherwise miss. Bring games, movies, and video chats to life on your smooth, ultra-wide screen. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, it does have a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is pretty good. So that's the front, back, and right side of the phone there. Very nice looking phone, like I said. Specs. Y'all have Wi-Fi 8, a 211 ABG and an AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct, and hotspot of course. Of course, that's 5G, of course. That's the main selling point of the phone, 5G. Dimensions are 6.51 inches height, 2.88 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. Screen display, screen size 6.5 inches, HD plus 90 Hz refresh rate. Says right here 6.528. That's kind of confusing there, but 34 hours of battery according to this. Bluetooth 5.1, 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging, 20 watt. So that's pretty good. So you get 20 watt fast charging, and there's your hand compatibilities there. 34 hours of talk time. Memory 64 gigabytes of ROM and 4 gigabytes of RAM, and micro SD support up to 1 terabyte. So take advantage of that. The Moto G 5G weighs 7.14 ounces. What's in the box is your Moto G 5G charger, which is very nice to see. USB-C cable and your quick start guide. Alright. More features. Up to 2 days battery. Free yourself from the power outlet. The massive 5,000 mAh battery keeps you working and playing for longer without worrying about running out of power. Can your camera take creative shots with beautiful detail? Discover new ways to tell your story using the 50 megapixel camera system with dual capture. Quad pixel technology lets you take sharper, brighter photos in low light settings, so you'll never miss that perfect shot, even in less than ideal lighting situations. Can your phone carry your favorite content wherever you go? It's kind of like a stab at it's kind of taking a stab at flagship phones, because a lot of flagship phones now does not have memory cards anymore, so you guys can't expand your storage on flagship phones anymore. So it's kind of taking a stab at that. It says here, it's never fun running out of space. Get plenty of room for photos, movies, songs, apps, and games with 64 gigabytes of storage, and up to 1 terabyte more with the micro SD card. You will have to purchase that separately, of course. Want more bandwidth, lower latency, and reduced lag at your fingertips? Upgrade to super fast speed with the new Moto G 5G. With lightning fast 5G connectivity, you can stream with virtually no buffering and video chat without lag, so you feel like you're in the same room with family and friends. Looking for a faster, more fluid phone? Here you guys go. Moto G 5G is that on the budget side of things here. It says here, bring games, movies, and video chats to life on a smooth, ultra-wide 6.5 inch 90Hz display, and with up to 6 gigabytes of RAM. I thought it was 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's actually 6 gigabytes of RAM, so it's very nice. Enjoy smooth performance and fast responsiveness wherever, whether streaming, gaming, or chatting with friends. So, it does have 6 gigabytes of RAM. I thought it had 4, but my bad. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto G 5G is now here at Straight Talk. So, if you guys are looking to get a better smartphone, the Moto G 5G is now here for $199.99. It does have nice specs, and the phone looks very nice as well. I like the design of the phone a lot, and like I said, I do like the specs a lot. It has pretty good specs for what it is about the smartphone. It has a lot of RAM for a budget phone like this, because I thought it had 4 gigabytes of RAM. It actually has 6 gigabytes of RAM, so that's very impressive for a $200 phone like this. So yeah, check it out for yourself. So if you guys are looking for a budget 5G phone to Straight Talk, the Moto G 5G is the one to check out there if you guys are interested in that. So anyways guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.